See, very excited place, relaxing here. Sitting, relax. No one bothering here. Chairs are empty. If you like to sit here, if you like to occupy, come here. I will show you, buddy. See, all chairs are free because no one bothering each other. Relax. Sit. If you want to sleep, you can sleep. Nobody disturb you. Would you like to see up? Look. See, there is light. Not. Bookworm Gardens, beautiful flowers, books, and a lot of things you can see. And thank you visiting Bookworm. Bookworm, this is a beautiful garden for encouraging students and visitors. All things are excited. Look up what birds. Here is a lot bird, wild bird, and other kind of birds. This is a things. Birds are visiting here too, flying over here. This is all path walking. Excited, be happy. Don't bother anyone else, don't disturb anyone else. Only enjoy yourself. Look, I'll show you some different thing. See, children are studying here. I'll show you some children are here. See, look. And I'll show you. Look there. I'll show you a lot of things. Bookworm Garden. Hello. Oh, mera bachcha. Good to see you.